tapping softly on the window tonight, and the room feels colder underneath the fading light. I've been carrying a burden nobody could see, smiling on the outside while it was breaking me. There were days I had nothing left to say, just staring at the ceiling while the hours slipped away. But somewhere in the quiet, something whispered low, "You survived this much, don't let your spirit go." I've walked through seasons that emptied my soul, tried to put back together what I couldn't control. I watched old memories turn into pain, then watched those same tears disappear with the rain. I have regrets that still visit me at night, things I wish I'd done differently, things I wish I'd made right. But I'm learning that forgiveness has a voice of its own, and sometimes you must forgive yourself before you can go home. So let that old guitar cry gently for me, play every note for the things nobody sees. Let the piano fall softly like drops on the floor. Let